Okay guys, this is the first question from Cat 24, the first lot. You can pause the video and give it a try and resume for the solution. So x is a positive real number such that 4 log x to the base 10 plus 4 log x to the base 100 plus 8 log x to the base 1000 is 13. Then the greatest integer not exceeding x is. So what we have to observe here is 4 log x to the base 10, the first term here, I will simply write it as it is. 4 log x to the base 10 plus the next term here is 4 log x to the base 100, which we can simply write as 4 log x to the base 10 square, plus the last term here is on the left hand side 8 log x to the base 1000. It can be written as 8 log x to the base 10 cube. The sum of these three has been given as 13. Now, the next step is, we have seen this in the properties of logs. When the base has a power, that power will come out in the denominator and divide, right? So in the next step, let's write 4 log x to the base 10 as it is, plus 4 log x to the base 10 square will be 4 by 2. The 2 will take it outside. 4 log x to the base 10 divided by 2. Plus, in the same way, we have a 3 in the power here. I will take it out in the denominator. It will be 8 by 3 log x to the base 10 is equal to 13. Now, from these three terms, I can simply take a log x to the base 10 common. Log x to the base 10 is taken common. Now, 4 remains in the first term. 4 by 2, 2 remains in the second term. Plus 8 by 3 remains in the last term. This entire thing is 13. Now we have to add these. We get 6 plus 8 by 3. 3 6 are 18 plus 8 is 26. So the left hand side is now log of x to the base 10 into 26 by 3 should be equal to 13. So 13 ones are and 13 twos are cancelled. We can take 3 and 2 on the right hand side. Ultimately, I will get log of x to the base 10 will be equal to 3 by 2. The last step is we'll convert this logs equation into indices. If log of x to the base 10 is 3 by 2, we can say x is 10 raised to 3 by 2. And this 10 raised to 3 by 2 is nothing but 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 1 by 2. Right? Now, 10 raised to 1 would be 10 as it is. Root 10 would be roughly 3.1 something, 3.1 something. So 3.1 something into 10 would be 31 point something, right? So the greatest integer not exceeding x would be only 31, simply 31. That's the answer to our question 31.